I am sure you must have come across a chartered accountant or a manufacturer who talks about depreciation of their capital, reserve fund, depreciation allowance, and so on. It is important not only for a businessman but also for the nation as a whole, as it gives us the true and the accurate measurement of domestic product. So far as nation is concerned, accurate measurement of the capital stock that a manufacturer must be having. It is very helpful for chartered accountants as it enables them their investment planning. And when domestic product is measured in net terms, that is after deducting consumption of fixed capital, it aids in comparing the economic performance of different nations and hence is helpful for effective policy making. So let us understand more about consumption of fixed capital. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing a series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about our courses offered on our website that will help you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET entrance examination. But before we begin with the series and jump to the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now, let's get started. Consumption of fixed capital. It is also termed as depreciation. And depreciation refers to fall in the value of fixed assets due to normal wear and tear, which occurs with the passage of time, and expected obsolescence due to either change in technique or change in the demand for goods and services. For example, machines manufacturing analog monitors have become obsolete due to introduction of machines manufacturing LCD monitors. Depreciation is also known as current replacement cost or replacement cost of fixed capital or capital consumption allowance. Related to this term is capital loss. It is loss in the value of fixed assets due to unexpected obsolescence like natural calamity, theft, accident, etc. It implies that capital loss is unexpected loss, whereas depreciation is expected loss. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.